Ever get super deep into a trail system and start guessing every single turn that you're making? Use this one feature inside of onX Offroad to never worry again. All right, so first things first here, we're gonna open up onX Offroad on our mobile device, and we can access onX navigation in two different ways. We can either tap a previous waypoint that we have dropped in the past, or we can tap on a point of interest, such as a trailhead or a campground. Now, once we tap that waypoint or point of interest, it will come up. We'll hit the highlighted orange navigate button on the bottom left, select onX navigation, and tap go. Just like that, we'll get turn-by-turn directions with voice guidance taking us all the way from pavement all the way to our destination. You can also do this with a saved route. Just go into My Content here on the bottom, select Routes, select one of them, and hit Navigate. Now you've got a full route laid out in front of you. No more guessing, no more missed turns. All right, to start turn-by-turn navigation right inside of onX Offroad, you have a couple different options. You can always select a previous waypoint, a route that you've maybe created. You can also route directly to guided or track trails that are either 4x4, side-by-side, or even moto. For example, if we want to route to one of these trailheads, we can just go ahead and tap that, swipe up, you'll hit navigate. And the best part, this just doesn't work on off-road trails or dirt roads. It also works on the highway.